Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out of the TikTok app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, and you won't want to miss that. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the TikTok app. Here it usually opens up in the home menu, but from the home menu we have to go into the profile menu. Here in the profile menu there are 3 lines in the top right corner. We tap on those, then it opens up this little pop-up. We tap on settings and privacy. Here there's a huge list, but we have to just scroll down to the bottom, and in the bottom there is a log out button, and if we tap on this, we can just proceed by logging out from this account. If we want to log out from all accounts that we are logged in, then we have to do it one by one. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.